welcome to the best way to cook tofu ever.
This is Hasselback tofu. By cutting them in this Hasselback style, it's increasing the surface area. Most people know that tofu is bland, it's a carrier of flavor. And by cutting them this way, it increases the surface area, delivering more surface to deliver more flavor. This is incredibly good.
The sauce is absolutely next level, and essentially tofu is beans, it's protein, it's powerful, it's delicious, and this is the best way to cook it.
We're using firm tofu, a 200 gram block that I'm going to chop into 3 rectangular pieces. So take a rectangle block of tofu, we're going to pop down 2 chopsticks either side of it. These are going to prevent us cutting all the way through our tofu. First, I'm going to cut it at an angle, so I'm chopping it at a 45-degree angle. Turn it over so it's directly turned over. Bring our chopsticks together and we're going to chop it straight across it. Same again. This is going to open it up like an accordion, allowing us to increase the surface area so we can get more flavor. Look at this. Oh, look at that. As we said, tofu can be bland. Really important to add a flavorful sauce. This flavorful sauce is banging. This is a miso-based glaze with chili. In goes 1 tablespoon of miso, a generous one, that's brown rice miso. Half a thumb-sized piece of ginger. This is organic, so I'm leaving the skin on. Finely diced or else grated in. 1 clove of garlic, obviously peel it, and we're just going to finely dice it or grate it. Got a nice generous pinch of chili, ooh, spicy. 1 tablespoon of liquid sweetener, I'm going maple syrup. About a tablespoon of lemon juice. That's just a tablespoon of olive oil, just to help encourage more caramelization. Okay, so now we're going to pop our dressing on top of our tofu. Just spread out the tofu and really try to get that sauce in between each layer, because each layer is just going to deliver more and more and more.
This is what we were saying about expanding out the surface area, because if you just coat the whole block, there isn't that much surface area, but by doing this technique of expanding...
Like even look at this, like here's our surface area here, and then by opening it out, look.
It's probably 3x, so it means you can get more flavor into it, so the flavor is just immense in your mouth. The sauce is so tasty, like this is like, I'm salivating doing this, like it really is next level.
And tofu is something people like or dislike. This recipe makes everyone like it.
Yeah, the amount of comments that we've got, we did this on Instagram a while ago, and the amount of comments we got from people saying that this converted my father, husband, sister, mother, whatever it was, to eat tofu. So this is the tofu converter.
Okay, we're gonna cook this in the air fryer, just it's quicker, crisps up easier, and we don't have to use as much oil to get caramelization.
You can use an oven now, so don't feel like you need to use an air fryer. We're just using it because it's easier and more economic.
Okay, we're midway through baking. We've given them 10 minutes. We're gonna take them out and just brush them all over, just to ensure we're really coating them in flavor.
Ooh, the smell is just epic.
Oh my God, they are just like downtown flavor bomb.
Lads, now that is just outstanding.
Nice little way to give them a kind of glaze and make them look a little bit more rib-like is just give them a final brush just while they're out. Just you want to be careful here just so they don't fall apart. Like this just smells amazing. I am salivating, seriously. Like look.
Like it is so meaty and substantial. Like check that out for just a minute. And the smell. For anyone who you think is not a tofu lover, this is a game changer and such a simple method. It doesn't take any longer and it's all about the sauce.
That is banging.
It's really outstanding.
The sauce is like...
We should do this next half out.
Yeah, really should, yeah.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Our message is to try to help you to eat more veg. And this method is really simple, really tasty. And yeah, comment below, let us know what you think.
I think it's so worth trying. Thanks, Mil, for watching. If you'd like to learn more, check out our link down below to join a recipe club. Cheers!
Bye!